Wanna achieve this shimmery green eye look? Then let's start the video. First, I took a concealer from Lakme Absolute, which is their mousse concealer in shade Honey. It's a perfect match for me, and using my fingers to blend. For eye makeup, I will use Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette and take these two brown shades in my crease area. First the light one, then the dark one to intensify the area. For the lid space, I took a forest green kind of color with my fingers. It is a foil type of eyeshadow. To blend everything together, I am using the same eyeshadow blending brush without taking any color on it in my crease area. To add some glamour, I took a shimmery shade called No Exit. It's looking a golden shade, but it's a light green shimmery shade. I'm generally focusing on the middle part. To tight line, I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal in shade Brown, and to smudge and set it, I took the dark brown shade again with the help of a pencil brush. For my brow bone and inner corners, I am using a white shimmery shade. If you are wondering about the earrings and the clip, they're so beautiful. I took them from an Instagram page called Shopping Zone 6301. They have beautiful and affordable makeup and accessories. Link is in the description. After curling my lashes, I'm using Myglamm Twisted Mascara in my upper and lower lashes. And after drying, I'm curling it again. It looks great without falsies, but for drama, I'm using a false lashes from Swiss Beauty. And that's it. Hope you like it. If you do, please consider to subscribe. See ya.